Let's get straight into the tutorial. This is Clickbank. This is my account on clickbank.com, and so far I think there is some money in my account that I've not cashed out yet. So you can easily create a Clickbank account, and Clickbank is so important because it's the biggest, if not uh, the biggest, I would say one of the biggest marketplaces for affiliate marketers all across the world. And the good thing with Clickbank is that you can you can actually find a lot of products to promote, so many products to promote. So this is my earnings for Clickbank, and if I want to cash out these earnings, it will be sent to me. I just have to meet some requirements that want me to meet for this particular payment to be able to be sent to me. They'll have to send it to me to my US bank account. These are the details of the bank account. They use direct deposit. It's a US bank account, but I don't cash out the money in the US. I cash it out right here in Cameroon. So you get this US bank account through Payoneer. And next, I'm going to do a video on how you can set this up on Payoneer and uh, and get your payments from any part of the world, any program you're promoting, any company you're working with that wants to pay through bank account, and they cannot pay through your Cameroonian bank account, so that they can pay you directly on this US bank account. So, but the purpose for this tutorial is how to get Clickbank in Cameroon. I was already about the PayPal as another problem that we're going to be solving very soon. So in the subsequent videos, so if you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out any of those cool stuff that are coming. I'm going to show you how to walk around all the due process online in Cameroon and get your your payments for all your services you're offering online and all your promotions you're doing online. So the first problem we have is that you can't have ClickBank in Cameroon. You cannot create a new ClickBank account presently in Cameroon because Cameroon is restricted. And Cameroon is not restricted because ClickBank hates Cameroon. It's just that it's not in line with their policies and they cannot operate in Cameroon presently. Cameroon is not just it's not the only country. There's so many other countries. So Cameroon is not the only country. So we're just going to go to use an incognito window. We're going to trying to click uh, there and create our ClickBank account. So if I type in ClickBank, just go to clickbank.com if you want to create a new account. So the first thing you do is that you go, if you have tried to do it, you must have probably failed. And now this is the trick that Clickbank uses. They don't tell you upfront when you are trying to create an account that you cannot create an account if you are not from a country that permits Clickbank, where Clickbank is eligible. So when you come here, you click sign up, and it's automatically going to detect your location, where you're coming from. So for country, it's going to, once you sign up, when you fill, so by default it says USA. So if you fill this information as in you're in the US, when you're not in the US, you get stuck here because you don't have a US phone number. So before we go for the walk around, I just want to walk you through what people do. The first thing Cameroonians do is that you come here and you choose Cameroon without knowing that Cameroon is not permitted. You put your name and your last name, you put your phone number, put your email and password, and follow all the criteria. Go to the next step, and you agree with the terms and conditions. Once you do that, they log you out, they block your email, and they track your IP address. They register your IP address, and you try to log in again, try to create it again, they block you again. Anytime you create it, they'll be blocking you. Even if you try to create it now with a US account, with United States, they're going to still block you. So if that has already happened to you, this is how you can walk around it. This is how you can do it. to create a Clickbank account, and this video is strictly for educational purposes only. So this is what you can do to get a US bank account. You could get it as I like to call it an offshore business. So you're getting an offshore business like an LLC. You're operating from outside. I have some companies like that operate online, and I can work with some other companies as an offshore business, like a limited liability company that you can register online without going through a lot of jurisdiction. So what you have to do is, if you have already attempted this and you have been blocked, this is a workaround. Use your mobile phone, and the reason you want to use your mobile phone is so that you can easily get a VPN, which is kind of like free. So you get a VPN, maybe any US VPN or any VPN that can connect to the US. So once you get a VPN, you install it in your phone. When you install it in your phone, uh, don't use Google Chrome. Use any other browser. You could use Opera Mini. Use a browser that you have never used before. If you want to use Google Chrome, it means you have to um, actually clear cache. You need to go to the settings and clear the cache. I think I have to do another video where I'm actually using my phone and doing all of that. I can't do it right now because I've not set up screencasting on my desktop. But somebody asked this question, I thought I should do it urgently, give you a reply. So if you use Opera Mini and you're using a VPN and the VPN shows you're connecting from the US, the reason why I shouldn't use Chrome is because Chrome is signed in with your Gmail account already, which can easily be traced. So you use Opera Mini and you choose country, you choose United States, and make sure you have a US bank account. You can buy one for 5,000, 8,000, and at times 10,000. But I think it's worth the investment. Buy a Google Voice US number. You can use it for several other things later on. Or you could buy a US number with your credit card. So if you need a Google Voice number, you could buy it, you could find it. People are always selling it in WhatsApp groups and they use it for a lot of things. But we want to use it just to verify our Clickbank account. So once you get that, you come to you go to country, uh, choose USA, you put in your name, and you put in your phone number and your email address and your password, and you set up your account. Once you finish setting up your account, if they ask for verification, you can verify with your email or with your, make sure it's an email that you have not used before, or with the US phone number. You verify the account if they need to verify, but in most cases they don't need to verify the account. They just need to verify your email that it's actually active. And once you're set up and you're good to go, make sure that you set up your payment methods, you set up everything from the beginning before you start promoting. Once you can set up everything from the beginning, it shows that your money cannot get blocked in the system, because you can start earning some money, you want to cash it out, and it gets blocked in the system. So I'll not make this video very long, I'll just end it here. Don't forget to watch the follow-up video where I'll be doing it myself using my cell phone, and I'll be mirroring the cell phone on the desktop. But I don't want to screen record my cell phone because it's going to be the screen. I don't like the videos I've made before with my phone where I was recording the screen of the phone. I don't like the resolution, it's not really that clear. It's not really good for my channel, quality. So I'll be mirroring my phone. I'll do that in the next uh, video tutorial. So if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. My name is Kuma Ericto, and see you in the next video tutorial. Keep making money online. See you at the top because the bottom is too crowded for you. I love you all.